Good morning, students. In last session, we have completed illustrations, case scenarios up to 18 cases we have completed. And today we are going to start with case scenario 19. Students, it's my request. Today I am facing electricity issue. So it might happen that current will means I actually don't know how much time my generator or inverter will work. So it's a request to all of you. If suppose if any problem occurs, so Nisarg will inform you. Okay, let's start. Case scenario number 19. Without wasting time, we will start. We have completed till case 18, correct? Chalo. So who is going to read? Yes, any one of you. Chalo, Almaz, start beta.
Morning, sir.
Hmm.
Adi Limited, engaged in the business of manufacturing of urea, has set up its business in a designated backward area which entitles the company to receive from Government of India a subsidy of 20% of cost of investment.
So beta, this is like promoter's contribution.
Yes, sir.
Wait. So promoter's contribution. Hmm. So where
Having
you are going to record it?
capital reserve.
Very good. So it will be recorded in capital reserve. Note down. Next.
Having fulfilled all conditions under the scheme, the company, on its investment of rupees 50 crores in capital assets, received rupees 10 crores from the government in January 2024. The company wants to treat this receipt of an item of revenue, thereby reduce the loss on profit and loss account for the year end 31st March 2024.
Okay. So 50 crores in capital asset receipts, 10 crores from government. The company wants to do this receipt as a revenue. What do you think?
No, it should not treat it as revenue
Either option one is that reduce from the
asset,
asset, and option two is that
deferred income.
deferred income. Next.
Adi Limited holds 51% in Shah Limited. Shah Limited is a joint venture of Adi Limited
Wait,
due to
wait,
a
wait, wait. Adi Limited holds in Shah Limited 51%. Then, and they are also
joint ventures.
joint venture with each other. Okay, because they have some contractual arrangement.
Adi Limited is engaged in manufacturing business and is it entered into joint venture to get synergies in the same business. Adi Limited and Shah Limited hold 10% and 30% respectively in SHB Limited.
So Adi Limited 10%, 30% in SHB, correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Huh.
As per the requirement of SEBI, Adi Limited prepared results or accounts for the quarter ended 30th June 2024 and took following positions in respect of the following.
Acha, 10% they will record as investment
Yes, sir.
as per AS13,
Yes, sir.
and equity method by Shah Limited, correct?
Yes, sir.
Next.
Training
Hmm.
expenses incurred during the quarter ended 30th June 2024 were allocated equally over the four quarters because the benefit was spread over the entire year, and similarly, some training expenses expected to be incurred in the last quarter have been estimated and equally allocated over the four quarters.
Okay. So which accounting standard, beta?
AS 25.
AS25. Okay, so is it correct? Training expenses to show
No, sir.
when to record
Whenever the expense or income is incurred.
occurred. So it should be recorded on first quarter only. Hmm?
Yes, sir. Provisions made for donation of 5 million expected to be made in the second quarter.
हम्म। तो क्वार्टर टू में माइनस करेंगे। हम्म।
Since historically there has been an immaterial variance between budget and actuals, depreciation charge for the quarter was determined by the budgeted figure.
Okay, so is it correct?
No, sir.
No. Then depreciation is always estimated. No.
Yes.
Then what is wrong in that? Okay. Next.
Incentives were provided to the customers if they purchase 1 million kgs of urea on an annual basis. It was expected that at least 50 customers would be able to achieve this target before the end of the third quarter. No provision was made for this incentive during the quarter ended 30th June 2024 since Adi Limited believed that the provision was not yet fructified.
No. So they have to provide it. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Adi Limited owns 60% holding in Annie Limited, an unquoted entity. The government has recently announced an increase in interest rates. The increase will cause a fall in value of equity holdings. This is due to the fact that risk free investments offer a high return, making them relatively more attractive. The market value of equity will adjust downwards to improve the return available on this sort of investment.
So Adi Limited owns 60% in any limited unquoted entity. Risk-free investment offer a higher return, making them relatively more attractive, and the market value of the equity will adjust downwards to improve the return available on this sort of investment. You got it?
Yes, sir.
What happened? Interest rate increased. So, but obvious equity में लोग invest नहीं करेंगे, okay?
Yes, sir.
And therefore you have to adjust for the investment, correct?
Yes, sir. SHP
Next.
Limited took a loan of USD 10,000 on 1st April 2023 for a specific project at an interest rate of 5% per annum payable annually. On 1st April 2023, the exchange rate between the currency was 81 per USD. The exchange rate as at 31st March 2024 was rupees 82 per USD. The corresponding amount could have been borrowed by SHP in local currency at an interest rate of 11% per annum as on 1st April 2023.
S11 and S16, correct?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Easy.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, चलो. Now read the question and tell
In,
me the
res-
answer.
in respect of the above
So
mentioned,
accounting standards, I applied all accounting standards which are relevant for it. So here it is 60% holding in unquoted in entity. Yes, chalo, start. Hmm.
in respect of the above mentioned receipt of rupees 10 crores, which of the following options would be correct under Indian GAAP?
Indian GAAP, generally accepted accounting policies. Hmm.
Accounting treatment decided by the company,
Answer,
it should be treated as capital reserve.
chalo, next. Mark this
Please,
IMP, mark this case study as IMP case study.
yes, sir.
Hmm.
Please suggest which one of the following options would be correct in respect of consolidated accounts of Adi Limited as per accounting standards notified under companies.
No. Which one is 10% as per S13 and 30% equity, no?
Yes, sir. Option A.
Next. Hmm.
Please share your views in respect of the accounting positions taken by Adi Limited as per accounting standards notified under the company's rules.
All are incorrect.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Will there be any adjustment required in the financial statements of Adi Limited because of above mentioned event as per accounting standards notified under company's rules?
Hmm.
The increase in an indication that Adi Limited holding in Ani Limited might have increased, hence Adi Limited would be required to increase the value of interest in Ani Limited.
Hey, wrong. They have to decrease the asset, no? Investment value.
Yes, sir.
So they have to do impairment. See, investment is going down. Okay. So investment value is reducing due to attractive interest rate in the market. So where people will attract in market itself, no?
Yes, sir.
Therefore your value is going down. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And depreciation, how to compare it? See here, they have to consider depreciation as per useful life. Useful life. Correct? They have to make a provision. ये भी ठीक है. Then और क्या था reason? Yes, they have to provide the expenses in last case also. So according to that, all are incorrect. Correct? And last
Yes.
one का तो this is only for confusion. हाँ, इसके ऊपर no question is asked. Okay?
Yes, sir.
तो ये तो ऐसे ही दे दिया था. They have just given it for your yes. It is not having any importance because question is not asked on that. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Yes. चलो. Next question. Have you completed all case studies, beta?
No, sir.
You are doing with me only.
Yes, sir.
No problem. ठीक है. चलो. Are you finding easy this
Yes, sir.
case scenarios? Yes. Whatever we studied till now, we are applying over here. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So all accounting standards are almost covered in case studies. That's why we have taken a separate session for case studies. Chalo. Yes.
Private Limited
Any
has
other
entered.
student who wants to read? Any other student? Raise your hand if you want to read. तन्नू ठीक है. ठीक है अलमज. I will ask you later.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I am really upset with the revision batch. मतलब मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तन्नू कि रेगुलर बैच में स्टूडेंट्स आर टेकिंग इट सीरियसली और इधर क्यों बेटा इतना आप लोग मतलब मुझे पता नहीं है. रिवीजन बैच में बेटा मुझे ऐसा ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स विल सी द रिकॉर्डेड वन पर आपको लगता नहीं कि लाइव लेक्चर के बाद रिकॉर्डेड करने में बहुत बोर होगा करके.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है अपने अपनी चॉइसेस है पर रिवीजन का
Sir,
कुछ केस स्टडीज फायदा हुआ आपका तन्नू.
yes, sir. ये लाइव लेक्चर आने में जो डाउट रहता है वो फटाक से क्लियर हो जाता है
ओके.
और रिकॉर्डेड में सिर्फ जो
शायद
सर
से
बोल।
बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स को अभी क्या हुआ है आई एम टेलिंग यू कि प्रॉब्लम इज दैट कि इंस्टीट्यूट एग्जाम 3 बार लेती है ना तो स्टूडेंट्स का भी थोड़ा सा ठीक है 2 महीने के बाद तुरंत एग्जाम आने ही वाली है. ये मुझे ऐसा बैक ऑफ द माइंड ऐसा बहुत लगने लगा है कि लोगों का जो स्किप करने का तरीका है ना ये बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है.
यस
ठीक है
सर, मुझे भी लगता है कि सब लोग स्किप कर देते हैं.
चलो स्टार्ट.
Ketan Private Limited has entered into a finance lease agreement with Mehra Limited for acquiring machinery. The lease term is 4 years and the machinery's fair value at the inception of the lease is 20 lakhs. The annual lease rent is 625 lakhs payable at the end of each year. The lease includes a guaranteed residual value of rupees 125 lakhs and expected residual value of 375 lakhs. The implicit interest rate for lease is 15%. The discounted rate for the first four year are
यस, तो मुझे एक बात बताइए, हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस? 6,25,000 फॉर हाउ मेनी ईयर्स यू आर गेटिंग इट? 6,25,000 फॉर 1-4.
yes sir.
तो can I write 1-4 for 6,25,000 and fourth year you are getting 1,25,000,
1 lakh
correct?
25.
हाँ,
Yes,
for from lessor point of view you can consider full amount.
yes sir. Yes.
हाँ, okay, from lessor point of view, but from lessee point of view you will consider only.
Only GRV and uh, minimum lease payment.
Yes, I will consider only GRV. ठीक है, चलो. सो डिस्काउंटिंग फैक्टर का टेक एडिशन, टेल मी द एडिशन एंड लास्ट ईयर का 0.5718. बोलिए, टेक डिस्काउंटिंग फैक्टर.
Sir, 2.1975.
बोलना बेटा, मैं करके देखो, मैं आई एम. फटाफट फटाफट करो ना बेटा, ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हो तन्नू? 2.855 मल्टीप्लाई करो एंड टेक अ टोटल.
Sir, 13 lakh 73, 437.5.
टोटल कितना आया? 18 लाख.
Sir, 14 lakh 44 9 112.5.
18,55,000. अरे तुम बताती भी नहीं हो यार फटाफट, में एडिशन करना है वो भी नहीं फटाफट बता रही हो.
Sir, 1370, 73
एटीन
437.5.
लैख 55,850 फटाफट बोल दो ना इसका समेशन. चलो आगे बोलो. समेशन करना है अभी, वो भी चीज मैं बताऊं तो कैसे होगा? व्हाट इज मिनिमम लीज पेमेंट?
Sir, 625 lakh.
6,25,000 इंटू 4 प्लस 1 लाख
26 20,
25,000.
26 lakh 21,000.
कितना हुआ?
Sir, मेरा 2621 है.
26,25,000. चलो आगे बढ़ो. व्हाट इज द प्रेजेंट वैल्यू यूजिंग इम्प्लिसिट रेट ऑफ रिटर्न? 18,55,850.
It
At what value lease asset corresponding lease liability should be recorded? Present value or minimum lease payment, whichever is lower.
lower.
So present value of minimum lease payment and fair value whichever is lower.
18.
And what is the present value of lease payment for first year? First year के लिए 6,25,000 into 0.8696, 5,43,500. करेक्ट है?
Yes, sir.
चलो ओके, फटाफट अभी तन्नू सॉल्व करते आना चाहिए बेटा, इतना टाइम नहीं रहता है।
Sir, calcium is slow है.
आवाज भी नहीं आ रहा है एक तो प्रॉपरली। चलो, एनी अदर स्टूडेंट? एक तो हेडफोन आप लोग डाल के करते हो ना बेटा, आवाज नहीं आता अच्छे से। नेक्स्ट केस सिनारियो। ओके, ये इस 19 पे था, इजी था, इट्स नॉट एट ऑल डिफिकल्ट, सब करके बताया आपको। केस 21। चलो, केस 21 आ जाइए। मिस्टर विक्रम टुक अ लोन ऑफ 6 lakhs carrying 10% per annum. Yes. Okay. He purchased 4,000 units of raw material. Raw material he purchased at 125. Replacement cost is 100. 100 है. Okay. Labor, labor कितना है? And variable overhead 1 lakh to produce 1,000 units. To produce 1,000 units मतलब ऑफ फिनिश गुड्स। ओके, तो यहाँ पे ₹10 पर, नहीं, 1,000, नो, 100 पर यूनिट यहाँ पे ऐड हो जाएगा। 1,000 फिनिश गुड्स आर प्रोड्यूस विथ रॉ मटेरियल फॉर एवरी यूनिट ऑफ फिनिश गुड्स प्रोड्यूस 2 units ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल इज रिक्वायर्ड। तो 2 units ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल मतलब 2,000 यूनिट्स कंज्यूम। नेक्स्ट, नेट रियलाइजेबल वैल्यू इज ₹300 पर यूनिट। तो कॉस्ट और एनआरवी विच एवर इज लोअर, तो एनआरवी इज 300। देयर इज नो ओपनिंग स्टॉक एंड क्लोजिंग स्टॉक। विक्रम यूज्ड 1,500 units of raw material in construction qualifying asset. Okay, so 1,500 units into 125 qualifying asset. So they left with how many units? 500 units. बोलो कितना आएगा, बोलो कितना आएगा, बोलो चलो फास्ट। यस, नाउ रीड। 2,000 यूनिट्स का कंस्ट्रक्शन करो। आई हैव गिवन यू द चार्ट एंड टेल मी द आंसर फटाफट। चलो बोलो जल्दी से। Labor and other overhead incurred on this asset is 90,000. plus 15,000 to um, install the asset at factory premises, and loan taken to invest in equity shares. Equity shares ka loan will not be considered. And the P Limited declare the dividend. Okay, we are not going to consider that. Interest on that. And 500 units will be recorded at replacement price. Correct? Hai? And what is the cost? Cost is 125 plus 100, that is 225. So 225 cost. And what about the labor charges? 1 lakh, 1,000 units, 100 rupees per unit, no? And 500 units, ये आपका आ गया इसमें, yes. तो 125 plus 100, 225. चलो, so tell me the answer, फटाफट. What is your cost? Almas, cost कितना आया बेटा? Yes, tell me the cost. Raw material 100, labor charges and variable overhead incur are 1 lakh. Yes, Almas, how much is the cost?
2,25,000.
Are you sure? Whether overhead is given in the question? $125 plus 100 need, and they need labor charges and variable overhead incurred are 1 lakh to produce 1,000 units. Okay, so for 125 and labor charges for 1 lakh 1,000 units. Correct? Hai?
Yes, sir.
So total cost is, yes. First we will find out total cost for finished goods, 2,000 units at 125 plus labor and variable overhead 1 lakh. So cost for 1,000 units is, can you tell me cost?
3,50,000.
Ha. And what is NRV?
3 lakh.
3 lakhs, whichever is lower. So closing stock, 500 units will be recorded at 50,000 and finished goods will be recorded at 3,50,000. Correct?
At 3 lakh.
3 lakh. Sorry, 3 lakhs, 3 lakhs. So answer is B. Next one. Self-constructed asset cost. Take on calci 1500 into 125 plus 90,000 plus 15,000.
2,92,500.
And what about borrowing cost? Balance loan they used. Okay. Balance loan they used to loan proceeds. Okay. So how much loan they have taken?
6 lakhs.
6 lakhs. Okay. So we have to add that also. So 6 lakhs when from 1st August and when your construction is completed, 1st August to 31st
Month.
March.
8 months.
8 months,
Yes, sir.
8 by 12. So what is the amount? 6 lakhs into 10% into 8 by 12.
40,000.
Yes. So add that also. And balance we will not consider. Yes.
3,32,500.
Whether there is option.
No, sir.
1500 units into 125. Okay, sorry. Beta, out of 6 lakhs units, you have taken rupees taken to purchase raw material of 4,000 units, no? And only 1500 you will use. So 6 lakhs divided by 4,000 into 1500.
2,25,000.
And now calculate into 10.
15,000.
So now you tell me the amount.
3,07,500.
He purchased 9,000 equity shares for 1 lakh. Okay, so इसमें भी बेटा थोड़ा सा दिक्कत हो गया. He has taken a loan. Out of that, 1 lakh is only beta for equity shares, correct? So here we made a mistake. So 5 lakhs. I will explain it one more time. Don't worry. For 5 lakhs, how many units we are using?
1,500.
4,000 units into 1,500. So for self-constructed asset. So 5 lakh divided by 4,000 into 1,500.
1,87,500.
And 1,87,500 into 10% into 8 by 12. Very, very important question. Mark this as an important question. I will explain it one more time. Now, what is the answer?
12,000.
12,500. Okay. So total is
3,05,000.
3,05,000. Correct. And as per as 716, what will be the amount of interest that you will charge to the P&L? 12,500 is a capitalized, correct?
Yes, sir.
And what is the loan that you are taking now? What is the total loan? 6 lakhs into 10% into 8 by 12. Tell me the amount.
40,000.
Out of that 12,000.
500.
Okay. 12,500. So remaining amount is?
27,500.
Okay. ठीक है. So what is the option? Option number
Option A.
A. And last one. What is the carrying amount of investment? Correct?
Yes, sir.
So carrying amount of investment, you only tell me. 20% they declared the dividend. So 1 lakh 90,000 का 20%. So 90,000 का 20% means 18,000 is pre-acquisition dividend. So your cost of investment is 82,000. Best question beta. Yes, mast question था. IMP question, VIMP question. I will write it properly. This is the best case scenario. Other students, beta, are you getting this concept? तन्नू आपको समझा बेटा? तन्नू समझ में आया बेटा ये क्वेश्चन? नहीं.
सर
नहीं ना बेटा?
सर ये वाला आया.
आया समझ में? चलो अच्छे से लिख के देता हूं इसका आंसर, तो इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू. स्टार्टिंग में लिखेंगे लोन. लोन कितने का है? राइट डाउन लोन 6 lakhs का लोन है. एक मिनट, मी जे लिहितोय ते लिहिणं. मी जे लिहितोय ते तिथं बसून लिहिणं. तिथं खाली, हाँ हाँ, 6 lakhs का लोन है, करेक्ट है?
Yes, sir.
यस। उसमें से फॉर एक्वायरिंग शेयर्स, फॉर शेयर्स कितना?
1
वन
lakh.
लैख तो फॉर मटेरियल कंजम्पशन,
5 lakhs.
मटेरियल 5 lakhs, नंबर वन। सेकंड वन, यूनिट्स परचेस, यस,
4,000.
4,000, थोडं कमी जागेतल्या, 4,000 units. Out of that,
2,
consumed
2,000.
1,000 finished goods into 2 units, correct?
Yes, sir.
2,000 units. For self construction, how many
1,500.
units? 1,000,
500.
and then balance
500.
500 units, correct?
Yes, sir.
Consumed cost 2,000 units into
1.
125 raw material, consumed cost of finished goods. So this is 2,50,000, and labor and variable overhead on finished goods 1 lakh. So total cost is 3,50,000. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Third one, self construction cost. No, fourth one, sorry. खूप आहे. Oh. Self construction cost. Self construction cost. Yes, beta. 1,500 units into material, no?
Yes, sir.
1,500 units into 125. How much?
1,87,500.
Next. Then
Labor
labor. Yes,
90,000.
90,000. Then
Installation charges
installation charges
15,000.
15,000. And or
Borrowing cost
रेड पेन से आईएमपी मार्क करके रखना, बोरोइंग कॉस्ट. अभी बोरोइंग कॉस्ट हाउ टू कैलकुलेट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. 5 lakh for 4,000 units, correct?
Yes, sir.
3,50,000. हाँ, 5 lakh loan for 4,000 units. So for 1,500 units, how much?
1,87,500.
Very good. So 1,87,500 loan into कितना परसेंट?
10%.
And for
8 months.
August to March. So borrowing cost is
12,500.
12,500. So total amount
3,05,000.
3,05,000. Okay. Investment in equity shares rupees 1 lakh minus pre-acquisition dividend 90,000 into 20%, no?
Yes, sir.
So amount is
82,000.
82,000. Cost 125 and replacement price
100.
इधर ऊपर लिखना रहेगा. Cost is 125 and replacement price is 100. Replacement price 100. Easy?
Yes, sir.
So everything is given now. कुछ रहेगा क्या देखो. Return ना बेटा.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So can you tell me closing stock of raw material
50,000.
500 into
100.
500 into 100 or and not and और ये 500 into 10 100 और इसका कितना था 3,50,000
And 3 lakh.
ये रॉ मटेरियल का हुआ एंड फिनिश गुड्स का 3,50,000 और 3 lakhs विच एवर इज लोअर तो 3 lakhs तो बी आंसर करेक्ट
Yes, sir.
सेल्फ कंस्ट्रक्टेड वी कैलकुलेटेड
3,05,000.
3,05,000 amount to be capitalized 12,500 and treatment is 82,000 correct
Yes, sir.
ठीक है वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है VIMP लिख के रखो ओवर
Yes, sir.
बेटा तन्नू नाउ अंडरस्टूड अच्छे से
Yes, sir.
हेच है ना लास्ट अगस्त टू मार्च निसर्ग स्पॉटलाइट नहीं किया आज किसी ने तो लिखा है अल्मा स्क्रीन इज विजिबल ओके चलो जाना है आगे
Yes, sir.
let's start with question number pre-acquisition dividend 90,000 into 20% 18,000 चलो yes check this question
K Limited sold goods of 22 lakh to Mr. Ravi Kumar on 1st February 2024, but at the request of the buyer, the goods were delivered on 10th April 2024.
देख ये एक मिनट हाँ बेटा.
Yes, sir.
अच्छी अच्छी केस स्टडीज दी है, तो ध्यान देके करना. हाँ. हाउ मच बेटा? फर्स्ट वन
22 lakh.
22 lakhs sold to Ravi Limited, but at the request of the buyer, and these goods are to be delivered on 10th April. But we will treat it as sale, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so treat it as sale. Write down over there. Next.
K Limited also sold 2 lakh goods on approval basis on 1st January 2024 to Sheetal Enterprises. The period of approvals 3 months after which they were considered sold. Buyer sent disapproval for 25% of the goods and approval for 50% of goods till 31st March 2024.
Okay, so 25% 1st January for 3 months. 3 months means when it will end,
31st March.
and for so we will assume approval for 50% of goods till 31st March and time over, no beta? Time over
Yes,
on time lapse on 31st
31st.
March. So 25% is rejected, 50% accepted, and 25% time lapse and no return, therefore accepted. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
तो 2 lakhs का कितना परसेंट एक्सेप्ट हुआ? 75%.
75%.
1,50,000 is recorded as sales. Next.
Mr. Ravikumar has commenced legal action against K Limited for supply of faulty goods to claim damages. The lawyers of K Limited have advised that it is not remote yet that resources may be required to settle the claim. Legal costs to be incurred irrespective of the outcome of the case is 45,000.
Hmm.
Settlement amount if the claim is required to be paid is 5 lakh.
Okay. So remote chances of payment of damages, no?
Yes, sir.
So legal cost we will do provision, and for this we will record contingent liability. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
So for this 45,000 you can write provision, and for this you can write contingent liability. Hmm.
Sheetal Enterprises, a trade receivable of K Limited, suffered a heavy loss due to an earthquake that occurred on 30th March 2024. The loss was not covered up by any insurance policy. In April 2024, Sheetal Enterprise became bankrupt. The balance due from Sheetal Enterprises as on 31st March 2024 is 75,000.
Okay. So there was heavy loss of earthquake before 31st March. Correct? Eh?
Yes, sir.
So this is called as adjusting event. This is called as adjusting event. Okay. So this is a combination of Ace 9, 29 and 4 IMP. 9, 29 and 4. Chalo. So what is the revenue? 23,50,000. Second answer, create a provision of 45,000. And last one is adjusting event, and 75,000 should be made. Correct? No?
Yes, sir.
Easy or difficult?
Easy, sir.
Easy. So we can mark it. Now, cash flow statement question. Cash flow statement. So see, in case scenario, you may have cash flow statement question. Huh?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, चलो 23. How many standards we have completed? 19, 20, 21, 22. Only 4 till now. How many questions you have? Case scenarios?
35.
35. ठीक है. And you have not solved a single one.
No, sir.
Why? Not getting time.
Yes, sir.
Other sessions are going on. हाँ, Almas?
So, no, sir. It got over.
Okay. Then you are doing self study.
Yes, sir.
बेटा ईशान बहुत देर आज.
आज सर आज वो चल नहीं रहा था सर, यूट्यूब से देखा था, अभी थोड़ी देर
अच्छा,
पहले चालू हुआ।
कुछ समझ में आया क्या?
सर अभी भी पिछला वाला गया था वो तो समझ आ गया था, उससे पहले वाला मैंने पूरा नहीं देखा था, वो समझ नहीं आया।
ठीक है. तनु, ये समझ में आया बेटा आपको? तो आपके कितने हो गए थे बेटा सॉल्व, ईशान? हाउ मेनी ऑफ केस सिनेरियोज यू ऑलरेडी सॉल्व?
सर नहीं किया था सर, पूरा नहीं किया था, मतलब मैंने इस वाले बुकलेट से नहीं किया है, मैंने एमसीक्यू मतलब एमटीपी आरटीपी से किए हैं।
वो
मतलब कोई
इजी है क्या,
सेम है,
ये इजी है? मैं आपको
वो
वही
दोनों
पूछ
के
रहा
दोनों
था.
सेम ही है सर। मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि जो इसमें क्वेश्चन है ना, जैसे हमने सबसे पहला वाला किया था कल आरटीएस वाला, वो एक
हाँ,
आरटीपी का क्वेश्चन है, तो वो मेरे ख्याल से कि उन्होंने सेम ही डाल दिया, हो सकता है कुछ
ओके,
सेम हो।
ठीक है. और बाकी एग्जाम क्वेश्चंस कैसे लगे आपको?
एग्जाम क्वेश्चन सर सिमिलर ही है, मतलब इसके जैसे ही है, कुछ जैसे बाय बैक के हो गए, बाय बैक के वही सेम ही है कि मतलब उसमें 3 टेस्ट ही पूछेंगे, और कैश फ्लो में सेम ही है, इन्वेस्टिंग पूछेंगे या फिर कैश फ्लो है कि नहीं है वो सब पूछेंगे, नॉर्मल क्वेश्चन है।
ओके, ठीक है. खुशी, हाउ मेनी क्वेश्चंस यू सॉल्व बेटा?
Sir, a few questions.
हाँ,
Few questions.
किए
About
कितने?
20. Sir, sir 20 किए थे.
20 किए थे.
Yes, sir.
बोर होता है खुद से, नहीं होता है क्या बेटा खुशी?
No, sir, मेरा ये थर्ड अटेम्प्ट है, तो लास्ट अटेम्प्ट के पहले मैंने किए थे सर.
अच्छा, ओके. पर तब ज्यादा कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी थी या अब भी समझ में आ रहा है अच्छे से?
फिर अभी रिवीजन ज़्यादा हो गया तो ज़्यादा क्लियर है.
अभी अच्छे से आ रहा है ना समझ में?
Yes, sir.
यस. चलो, almost it's difficult to do by own, no?
Yes, sir.
चलो ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम. चलो, जय लिमिटेड सबमिट्स द फॉलोइंग डेटा. इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल सब कुछ है. एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन इज गिवन. On 31st March, they decided Jai Limited to reconstruct and company for necessary resolution is passed. 9% debentures to be settled by issuing 15,000 equity shares. अच्छा, पहले क्वेश्चन देख लेते. सो दे आर आस्किंग यू ऑपरेटिंग, इन्वेस्टिंग, कैश एंड कैश इक्विवेलेंट एंड बैलेंस ऑफ इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल आफ्टर इंटरनल रिकंस्ट्रक्शन. ओके, तो 9% डिबेंचर्स टू बी सेटल्ड बाय इशूइंग 15,000 इक्विटी शेयर्स. तो 15,000 इंटू 10. So debenture holders will get how much amount?
1,50,000.
Okay. Equity shareholder will give up their 40% of the capital in exchange for new debentures. So equity shareholder will not get anything. Equity shares issued for 1 lakh. Cash inflow. Financing activity, no?
Yes, sir.
And balance of profit and loss is, so it will not affect cash flow, it will not affect cash flow, it will not affect cash flow. Okay. In addition to this, they have given you the following information. Interest received on advances given to the supplier. Operating activity.
Yes, sir.
Next. Taxation liability settled. Operating activity minus a debtor insolvent and only 40% is recovered from his estate. So how much?
16,000.
Operating activity plus dividend is received on in Star Limited 1 rupees per equity share invested. तो investment कितना था 10,000. So they are getting into 10,000 shares. Investing activity
Yes, sir.
and part of the machinery is sold at loss of 3,000 book value. तो कितना मिला investing activity 12,000. Correct?
Yes, sir.
What is the cash flow from operating activity? Cash flow from operating activity is 3,000 minus 14,000 plus 16,000.
5,000.
5,000. Cash flow from investing activity 10,000 plus 12,000.
22,000.
22,000. Closing cash and cash equivalent 65,500. इक्विटी शेयर्स इशू करके 1 लाख आया प्लस ऑपरेटिंग का 5,000 एंड इन्वेस्टिंग का 22,000. टेल मी द टोटल.
1,92,500.
Correct. And what is equity share capital after reconstruction? You already have 5 lakh shares, correct? Share
Yes, sir.
capital. Equity shareholder give up their 40%. So give up means how much?
2 lakh.
2 lakh minus in exchange of 1 lakh equity shares, correct? Sorry, 1 lakh
Yes.
debentures. So what is the balance?
3 lakhs.
3 lakhs. Relax, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 3 lakhs का क्या है? Nothing. So this is already equity share capital. Balance, correct?
Yes, sir.
Plus in that you will add 1,50,000 debenture holders को. And for cash you are issuing
1 lakh.
1 lakh. So your total equity share capital will be
5,50,000.
IMP question. This is the IMP question. 5,50,000. See, 5 lakhs में से 40% is give up. So you left with balance 3 lakhs, correct?
Yes, sir.
And balance 3 lakhs you will add debenture holders का 1,50,000 and cash का 1 lakh. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. IMP question, huh? Easy.
Yes, sir.
IMP question, mark it. So this is based on cash flow plus reconstruction. Are you writing on question?
Yes, sir.
All of you, please write it. Next, 24.
On 31st March
Wait,
2001,
wait, wait, wait. Wait. Yes. Start.
On 31st March 2001, 7 companies finalized their financial statements, which were approved on 15th June 2001. During the financial
एक ही
2001 to
मिनट, हाँ, सिर्फ एक ही मिनट, 1 minute. निसर्ग, निसर्ग, ठीक है, चलो.
During the financial year 2001 to 2, 7 material events occurred, as detailed below. You are required to analyze each situation and decide how they should be treated in the financial statements for the year ended 31st March 2001 based on AS4, contingencies and events occurring after the balance sheet date. A
Yes.
Limited entered into a contract to sell property valued 1 lakh in its balance sheet on 15th March 2001. The sale was finalized on 15th May 2001 for 2,50,000.
So contract is before 31st March, correct?
Yes,
So what is the thing यहाँ पे? This is adjusting event, no?
yes, sir.
Adjusting event. And 1,50,000 means 1,50,000 you are going to record profit. Huh.
B Limited's 100% subsidiary declared a dividend of 3 lakh on 30th April 2001.
Non-adjusting.
C Limited decided to close its mail order activities on 31st May 2001, incurring closure cost of 2.5 million.
So that is mail order activities you decided after, no? So
Yes, sir.
non-adjusting only. Huh.
D Limited discovered on 1st July 2001 that sand at major civil engineering project site increased project cost by 25% with no recovery from the customer. Non-adjusting.
ये क्या है, संबंध ही नहीं है ना इसका. Delimited discovered the major civil engineering project site increased project cost. ठीक है, and no recovery from customer. But what we are going to do for that? Closure cost भी नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. So increased cost we will record it in that, no?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो it is not कि इसको as for apply नहीं करेंगे. See, increase in the project cost, what you are going to do? So this is not like कि you are incurring any extra expenses, no?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो ये कुछ है ही नहीं. Next.
On 2nd April 2001, a fire
And see, 1st July means this is not event occurring after balance sheet date. Because 1st July means after approval date. And approval date is 15 June, my dear. Okay?
Yes, sir.
आगे.
On 2nd April 2001, a fire destroyed E Limited's manufacturing plant. The estimated loss of rupees 10 million is expected to be fully recovered by insurance.
So when the fire occurred,
2nd April.
non-adjusting.
F Limited received a rupees 8 million damage claim from breach of patent before 31st March 2001. Legal advice suggests that the claim is baseless, though legal fees are expected.
तो लीगल फीस की प्रोविजन होगी. And claim is we will record it as contingent liability. S29 है यहाँ पे. Okay?
Yes, sir. G Limited experienced an 8% foreign exchange rate change between 1st April 2001 and 1st June 2001, reducing the value of foreign assets by rupees 1.3 million.
तो ये तो नेक्स्ट ईयर में रिकॉर्ड होगा ना.
Yes, sir.
Why this is we don't have to consider. This is again S4 is not applicable. This is we are going to record it in the next year. When actually happens. S11 बोलेगा ये. ठीक है. चलो. बोलिए.
For A Limited, how should the sale of property be treated in financial statements?
1,50,000 you are recording the financial statements. Dividend. Dividend is non-adjusting, no?
Yes, sir.
Next.
For C Limited, how should the closure of mail order be treated?
Disclosure.
For
Then
E Limited, what should be the treatment of fire incident?
disclosure.
For F Limited, how should the damage claim for breach of patents be treated?
Disclose as contingent liability and provide for legal fees. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Easy or difficult?
Easy, sir.
I have given every explanation. Huh? IMP. Googly questions थे कुछ. Next.
Energy Limited acquired a generator.
Wait. Before that, we will solve most difficult question now. 27. First, we will cover is 27. मुझे प्रॉब्लम वो नहीं है. Why I am covering all difficult questions? क्योंकि लाइट का आवाज बहुत ज्यादा आ रहा है अभी. सपोज बीच में कुछ होता है तो. यस. निसर्ग. चलो ठीक है.
Sigma Builders Private Limited enters into a contract with Alpha Builders Limited on 1st January 2001 to construct a 5-story residential complex. The construction is to be completed within 3 years by 31st December 2003. The contract terms include the following provisions. Fixed price 5 crore, material cost escalation 20%.
Escalation. S7 you have completed or not completed?
Completed, sir.
So you know this answer, no? ये question, have you solved this question? Means similar question is there in the study mat.
Yes, sir.
चलो, यस, तो फिक्स प्राइस 5 crores, मटेरियल कॉस्ट एस्केलेशन, हाँ,
Labor cost escalation 30% of the increase in minimum wages during the
yes.
contract
So
period.
if material cost 20% material during the contract period, okay,
Yes,
labor
sir.
cost escalation 30% of the increasing in minimum wages, early completion, you will get some benefit, and penalties if you go beyond 3 years and 2 months. तो एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट तो अपने को क्या लग रहा था, वी विल कंप्लीट इट इन 2 years and 8 months, एंड अल्टीमेटली कंप्लीटेड इन 2 years 9 months. तो पेनल्टी लगेगा क्या? नो पेनल्टी, बट अर्ली कंप्लीशन इंसेंटिव यू विल गेट, नो?
Yes, sir.
तो 0.50 crores, 0.5 crores, 50 lakhs means 0.5 crores. Labor cost initially estimated 1.2 crore based on minimum wages, but increased by,
25%.
हाँ, तो actual increase is less than 30%. So labor cost less than 30%, correct?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो लेबर कॉस्ट रिकवरी कितना होगा? 1.2 crores. Are you going to receive labor cost escalation? लेबर कॉस्ट का एस्केलेशन तो नहीं मिलेगा आपको. See, labor cost escalation is given 30% of the increase in minimum wages during the contract period. And कितने से इंक्रीज हुआ है?
25%.
हाँ, तो it is less than 30%.
Yes, sir.
तो कितना मिलेगा? 1.2 crores into plus 25%
1.5.
into 25%. Sorry. तो
0.3.
हाँ, 0.3 you will get. Correct? And increase by 40%. और 40% से इंक्रीज हुआ तो up to 20% you won't get anything. Okay. Escalation is beyond 20%, no?
Yes, sir.
So beyond 20% means for 80 lakhs, मतलब 0.8 crore, 20% of increase in material cost, so 40% minus 20%. So you will get only
20%.
20%. Yes. How much?
0.16.
Point. Material cost is 0.8 into 20%, no? So for 40%, 80 lakhs. So for only 20%, how much? You will get only for 40 lakhs, no?
Yes, sir.
Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
So for 40%, you are getting 80 lakhs. And minimum wages is given here. Here minimum minimum cost is not given, material cost. See, this is IMP. If let's understand it, if 20% of the increase in material cost during the contract period, 20% of the increase in material cost, you will get only escalation if it goes beyond 20%. Okay, if it goes beyond 20%, then you will get the escalation for material cost. So increase in the material cost is 80 lakhs. This is not actual. This is increase. And here it is actual. Wages are given actual. Correct है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो you will get wages का only 25, actual का 25% you will get. हाँ, but when labor cost escalation you will get, if it goes beyond 30%, then you will get for extra percentage. Here, what is the increase in the cost? Material
Eight.
cost increases 80 lakhs. Are you going to receive any material cost? See, this fixed price contract is already inclusive of material cost, correct? But
Yes.
80 lakhs is increased. 80 lakhs is increased, and therefore you are getting 40% of that. For 40% 80 lakhs, so but you will get only extra 20% escalation. You won't get extra all full 80 lakhs rupees. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Ha. And labor cost escalation, 30% of the increase in the minimum wages. Okay, during the contract period. Now, how much percentage increase?
40%.
Nahi, 1.2. This is labor.
25%.
Ha. So you will get not 30% of that, but you will get only actual percentage. Here you have to consider 1.2 into actual percentage. That is 25%. Don't consider a 30% increase. Okay. Next. Ha.
In 2002, Alpha developers requested Sigma builders to increase the scope of the project by constructing an additional floor, leading to an increase in the fixed contract fee by 1 crore. Sigma incurred rupees 20 lakhs in obtaining local authority approvals for this variation, which it will recover from Alpha developers in addition to the fixed fee increase.
Okay. So increase in the fee also, no, beta? Correct? How
Yes,
much
sir.
increase?
1 crore.
1 crore. But wait, and 20 lakhs you will get for obtaining approval, and this will be reimbursed. Reimbursed means that party will give you 1.2 crores. Got the concept? Additionally.
Yes.
Now see, 5 crores is a fixed amount. Acha, sorry, early incentive we are getting means extra we are getting, not any amount it is going to deduct. So how much you are getting? 5 plus zero point 0.4 plus zero point 0.3 plus zero point 0.5.
6.2.
Okay, so my revenue is 6.2. Incentive of when to recognize? It is progressively. When to recognize? Progressively. IMP, that early completion of incentive. What is my revised contract amount? 1.2 से increase हो जाएगा. So 7.4. Correct?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. And what to do? Obtaining approval included in the claim recoverable from the alpha developers. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is IMP question. Huh? Yes. Next question. Case scenario 28.
AB
Case
Limited,
scenario 28. Hmm.
AB Limited is engaged in manufacturing a variety of products, including modules, dies, infrastructure goods, etc. The company caters to a broad customer base across sectors like automobiles, infrastructure, construction, and others, both in India and internationally. Its financial statements are prepared annually as of 31st March.
Hmm.
Additional details for the financial year ending 31st March 2024 are provided below. Segment information. AB Limited has identified 5 segments.
Okay. Ha.
Machinery
Read.
purchase. Additional information.
Yes.
Machinery
Can you
purchase.
tell me 10% criteria? For sales, 10% criteria is applicable, no?
Yes, sir.
So who are internal and external, both segment will be considered. So 59 lakh,
40,000.
59 lakh 40,000. Correct? No. Yes. 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 No. Correct?
Yes, sir.
On the basis of profit, 6 lakh 30,000. On the basis of profit, no. And remaining are yes. And 25 lakh, no, 2 crore 56 lakh 50,000. 9 crore, no. Yes, yes, yes. Correct?
Yes, sir.
K, M, and here beta M दो बार हुआ है. Actually, it should be N. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
So all segments are reportable?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next. Machinery purchase. Read.
On On 1st April 2023, AB Limited purchased machinery worth 15 lakhs for producing specific items for a particular customer. The cost is deductible over 2 years for tax purpose. 10 lakhs in year 1 and the balance in year 2. Applicable tax rate is 30%.
Yes. So now S22 is applicable. Which S is applicable?
AS22.
Have you done S22?
Yes, sir.
What is accounting base? And what is tax base? How many years accounting base ka?
2 years.
2 years. So as per accounts, 7,50,000. And as per tax, 10 lakhs in year 1 and 7,50,000 and 5 lakhs in year 2. So difference positive. And here difference is negative. So yes. So what you are going to create?
Deferred tax liability.
If difference is positive, then how to identify? In tax, you are paying less tax. So whenever it is a positive, I have told you this is deferred tax liability and it is deferred tax liability reversed. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Write down. ऐसा किया था ना हमने?
Yes, sir.
Have you done S22 with me or sir का देखा था आपने क्या किया था?
Recorded.
Recorded. Okay. 70 lakhs you are going to add. Promotion no. And this is you are going to add. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And government grant.
AB Limited was engaged in process of
Promoters contribution है. So if you read it, I will tell you directly. This is a promoters contribution. तो capital reserve में जाएगा. Correct?
Yes, sir.
All segments डेफर्ड टैक्स लाइबिलिटी कितना क्रिएट किया? 75,000, नो?
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट, कॉस्ट कितना? 73 lakhs. एंड फोर का आंसर है कैपिटल रिजर्व. गॉट द कॉन्सेप्ट?
Yes, sir.
चलो नेक्स्ट. नेक्स्ट इज, दिस इज योर मॉड्यूल क्वेश्चन. Read it.
G Limited is an automotive supplier and is in the business of manufacturing components and parts to be used by various automotive
Hmm.
companies.
Hmm.
The company has its registered office in North Delhi in listed and is listed in a stock exchange. Following are some outstanding issues
Hmm.
not yet solved towards the finalization of statements for the year ending 31st March 2024.
Hmm.
G
Hmm.
Limited installed new machinery in its plant during 2023 to 24. G Limited
करेक्ट.
in
हाँ, बोले.
G Limited incurred the following costs: the basic price of machinery, initial
You will
delivery.
consider it. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Next,
Initial delivery and handling costs.
add
Yes, sir.
cost of site preparation, add interest on deferred payment. No.